So today I'm gonna solve Leetcode problem number 2, add two numbers. So the problem is you are given two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers. The digits are stored in reverse order and each of the nodes contain a single digit. So we need to add the two numbers and return it as a linked list. So for example here we are given two linked lists representing 342 and 465, so they're in the reverse order. We need to return their sum as a linked list, which is 807, so it should be like this. So we are given a linked list 342, 465, and we are gonna return the sum 807. So 2 plus 5 sevens, 4 plus 6 10, a carry, and so we're gonna initialize a new integer sum 0. The output node is the one that we will return. So we're going to return the output.next, that is the head of the resultant linked list, and the temporary node is the one that we use to iterate to the linked list. So we're going to iterate to L1 and L2, and we're going to add the value of L1 and L2 to the sum if the value of the node is if the node is not null. So we're going to check the nodes first. Same case for L2. Once we are done adding the value of the node to the sum, we're gonna move to the next node. So once we have the value of the sum, that is 2 plus 5 plus 7, we can assign it to a new node, which is output.next. But we also need to take care of the carry, because in situations like this, 4 plus 6 equal to 10, we can't have two digits in one node. So also we need to carry forward 1 to the next node. So we need to return, this is the output node, and we need to return the head of the result linked list, so which is 7. We need to return output node.next. And we also forgot one thing. So if we have situation like we have face value here, so this is going to be 10, and we cannot have 10 as a value of node, so we're gonna have to count for this one in the last. So we need to check if sum the value of the carry is 1, we'll assign it to a new node. Oh, I forgot to change this to L2. I forgot to account for the carry value at the start of the loop. Hope it runs this time. Yep.